Woohoo, fourth grade, another fraction lesson. As a reminder, anything that's written here, you also must write, that's right, on your paper as well. We are going to learn about multiplying whole numbers by fractions today. So let's get started with our first problem. Our first problem is 2 multiplied by 3/6. And we want to know what that equals. We have to think back to multiplication. When we multiply, we are just saying groups of. How many groups do we have? So when I'm looking at my problem, I see, oh, I have 2 groups. I like to represent groups as circles. So there's one circle, and there's my second circle. 1, 2, 2 groups. How many do I have in each group? I look back to my problem. I have the fraction 3/6 and the fraction 3/6 in the group. I need to figure out what my total is. That's the same as adding the total amount in each group. So I can rewrite this as 3/6 plus 3/6 and then solve that problem. I start by looking at my denominator. Oh guys, I have the same denominator. Woohoo, that means I can add. I know my denominator will be 6, and I'm adding 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Denominator is 6, and 6 out of 6 gives me 1 whole. Yay! Yay! Fourth grade, I cleared off my space, so you can clear off your space too, and we can get ready for another problem. My next problem is 9/4 multiplied by 3. Again, when I'm talking about multiplication, it is talking about groups of. How many groups of? I have 3 whole groups because that's my whole number. I'm going to represent groups with circles. I have 1, 2, 3 circles. I go back to my problem. I have 9/4 in each of my groups. 9/4, 9/4, 9/4. I want to figure out what I have total. And that means that I'm looking for a sum. I'm adding these all together. So I have 9/4 plus 9/4 plus 9/4. My denominator is 4. It's going to stay the same. My numerator, I have a 9 plus 9 plus 9. When I solve what 9 plus 9 plus 9 is, I get 27. So my answer is 27/4. Yay!